Right.
Haters. Look for my good. Look. Look for me. Failure no in my thing, no.
Hey, welcome back to another banger video. Today we are make pumpkin punch in a different way. You know my love profono already. This is my pumpkin. I already boil it. Right? I don't remove skin. When I'm boiling my pumpkin, even if I'm cooking it to eat it or so on, or to make juice, I don't remove skin. Because the skin having the nutrients and all of those stuff, the vitamins and stuff. Right, I already boiled it. Today, we're putting some Irish mash in it. And this is the peanut Irish mash. The peanut one, it tastes very nice when it's cool and yeah, it's the boss. I use some honey. Right? Some Jamaican nutmeg. Some cinnamon powder. Here, you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. First thing, we're gonna add in our pumpkin. So I use the same water I used to boil it. Now we're gonna blend this. Alright, it finished blend. Now we're gonna add in our Irish mash. Yeah. Imagine how this tastes. It's supposed to taste good. Now we're gonna add in our honey. Honey. I'm gonna use 3 teaspoons of honey. I'm not using any milk in this. That much we're gonna want to. I think a 2 or 3 we're gonna put. Just to make sure I put an extra one in there. Yes. I'm not using any milk. No milk at all. No thin milk, no Lasco. Nothing like that. We're gonna put in our cinnamon powder. Now we want at least a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Yes, that's it. Let's blend. Let's blend it up. Let's go. I have no egg already grater I purchased at the supermarket, but I just choose to grate it. I get these nutmeg egg from country up guys side. Yeah. Just feel for grater. And me a grater. I'm using 1 small nutmeg. 1 small one. And I am finished gratering. Just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. This is my nutmeg grater. Now I'm going to just throw it in. I'm going to leave back some, a little. Wow, let's blend again. Yes, I finished blend my pumpkin juice. It's my first time doing pumpkin juice. Taste it? I don't taste it. Alright, let's go. Tastes very refreshing. The reason why I don't put any dairy product in it, because you have a lot of people who do not use dairy product. That's why I choose to go the natural way. And it's my very first time doing it. I'm saying, alright then, let's do it. And I did it. And I didn't make it thick. I don't like juice when it's thick. No, like how some people make mango juice and it well thick up. No, I don't like it. Only thing me really didn't thick is what they call Jamaican strong back. We are blending up all kind of different things. But anyway, this is the end of my video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and just tell someone. Tell one of your friends. Okay? Be safe in this pandemic. Please wear a mask 6 feet apart. I don't want you to catch it. That means please be safe.